Amid the nationwide lockdown, the Indian Air Force plane continues its service to transport medical supplies to many parts of the country. Recently, an IL-76 plane took off from Delhi with around 500 tons of medical supplies for the Northeast region. Here's more on how the Air Force is conducting several services for the region to fight the pandemic. Amidst nationwide lockdown, aircraft and helicopters of the Indian Air Force is continuously providing medical equipment and other essential cargo to the far-flung areas of the country. Recently, the IL-76 transport flew off from Delhi airport carrying over 5,000 tons of medical loads. The medical goods were delivered to the northeast states of Mizoram, Meghalaya and Guwahati.
हम भी जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं वो जब भी sortie होता है, sortie के बाद हमारे बेस में या फिर हम जब भी जो डिफेंस बेस में जाते हैं वहाँ पे इसका जो भी मेडिकल अथॉरिटी है इसका डी इंस्पेक्शन कराता है। इसको हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए टास्क मिला है जो कि मिजोरम और गुवाहाटी के लिए हमें मेडिकल सप्लाई लोड लेके जा रहे हैं।
The IL-76 transport aircraft landed at Lengpui Airport in Mizoram on 25th of April. The medical supplies included hand sanitizers, surgical gloves, test kits and other medicinal goods. The IAF officials also reported that the viral transmission kit, which is highly temperature sensitive, is being carried as per the required temperature guidelines.
Ever since the lockdown has happened and before the lockdown, a number of missions we have been taking to airlift supplies. So it's a continued effort. Approximately as on date, I cannot give you a rough, I can give you a rough figure, close to 500 tons has been airlifted.
To ensure a steady supply of essentials, even in the most remote locations, to fight the pandemic, the Union Civil Aviation Ministry launched Lifeline Uran on March 26. The flights under the initiative Lifeline Uran have been operated by Air India, Alliance Air, Indian Air Force, Pavan Hans and private carriers. The Lifeline Uran flights connected hubs in the Northeast region locations including Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Agartala, Aizawl, Dimapur and Imphal. Prime Minister Narendra Modi applauded the IAF in his radio show Man Ki Baat for their contribution and commitment to fight the pandemic. So far, 392 flights have been operated under Lifeline Uran.